Hello! Welcome to JG Speedfit's tutorials for underfloor heating installations. These videos are designed to help you understand the correct way to install different UFH systems in a variety of settings. Underfloor heating is the ideal solution for today's heating needs. Not only is it more comfortable for the human body, warm feet and a cool head, it is also space efficient in our ever-shrinking homes. UFH is energy efficient, even more so with the newer technologies like ground source and air source heat pumps, which need to work with lower temperature water. At JG Speedfit, we have a wide range of UFH systems suited to a majority of floor types. For solid floor installations, we have the staple, mounting rail, and floor panel systems. For suspended floors, we provide two heat spreader plate options, one for use above the joists and one for use below the sheet flooring where the later engineered type joists are being used. For existing floors, we have the JG Underfit and JG Overfit systems. Further information on these systems can be found in our dedicated installation videos. Besides offering different floor solutions, we have a wide range of manifolds and components, as well as everything you need for a successful installation. To control the JG UFH systems, we offer a variety of different thermostats. These include the traditional mains voltage range, a wireless choice for the refurbishment market, and a network offering to facilitate remote UFH system control, for example from a mobile phone or the internet. Not everyone is an expert in UFH. We recognise this and are one of the only companies in the UK that are able to assist in the project from the planning and design stage right through to purchasing quality components. Even after purchasing your UFH system, we will still be on hand to assist with our dedicated help desk, CAD office, and our national technical engineers. None of our customers are left to manage on their own.